Rest in peace. See you when I get there. Thank you guys. Yes, how you guys feeling out there? I'm feeling good. I got me some wings in me. I'm saving ribs till later. Wings were delicious. Once again, y'all, Random Play is the name of the band. It is a 2-course dinner. That's right, Randy. Wings and ribs. Excellent. What Random Play means to me is random play. So what we're gonna do is just mix it up for you guys for the next hour or so. Have a little bit of fun. If you're feeling real good like I am, you can shake your hips like this. If you're feeling real good like I am, you can wave your hands in the air. And if you're feeling real good like I am, sing along like you just don't care. Let me take you there. Twist the clocks back. Really? Ooh, yeah. You might not ever get rich, but let me tell you, it's better than taking a ditch. There ain't no telling who you might be when a Random Play, or maybe even out getting achieving at the car wash. Working at the car wash. Check it out. Wax on. Wax on. Car wash. Working at the car wash. Yeah. September, the work is kind of hard. This ain't no place to be if you play on being a star. But let me say it's always cool. And you know Jermaine don't mind if you